Hi there, I'm Tri Chua, Assistant Vice President for Big Data, Analytics, and Cognitive Computing in IDC Asia Pacific. I'll be talking to you today about how you can rethink and reinvent virtually anything with the power of cognitive computing. Early versions of cognitive systems are already here, but as usage and application grows more ubiquitous in the next 5 to 10 years, the impact of cognitive computing will be sweeping, causing significant changes in the way people get advice, make purchases, and do their daily work. Cognitive systems will be the next major disruption in the world of technology, impacting businesses, healthcare, work, society, and economies in general. In preparation for this time, many organizations have started to develop cognitive systems technologies. So what exactly is cognitive computing? Cognitive computing is the analysis, organization, access, and provision of advisory services based on a range of unstructured information. Cognitive computing provides a platform for the development of analytic and cognitive applications. Some of its characteristics include performing deep natural language processing and analysis both for information ingestion and research, as well as to provide human-style communication, usually in the form of questions and answers. And of course, it conducts real-time learning as data arrives. The ability to identify similar past experiences and use learning to the current situation allows it the ability to predict and recommend possible outcomes. Industries that utilize and process large amounts of data are poised to benefit most from this technology. Cognitive computing can impact the way industries acquire and study vast data about their customers, operations, and markets. In manufacturing, for example, cognitive computing can help in understanding customer feedback during the product development cycle and aid in the faster delivery of new products. Cognitive computing, when merged with sensors such as Internet of Things, can pave way for the factory of the future that is demand-oriented, data-driven, and digitally executed processes for perfect order fulfillment. In the banking industry, cognitive computing has been used to transform customer experience when it comes to wealth management. And as for telcos, cognitive computing can pave way for individualized services with the monetization of subscribers' mobile and web usage data. The power of cognitive systems to study large amounts of data and find patterns and actionable recommendations because of them cut through a wide variety of industries. It can aid in diagnosis, treatment, training, and research for healthcare, and in the areas of retail, it can provide expert and customized shopping advisory and also automated customer service agents. To illustrate the great impact of cognitive systems on healthcare, here is an example of how cognitive computing is being used for cancer diagnosis, advisory, and recommendation of treatment plans. Alongside this, cognitive systems are being used by insurance companies to pre-authorize treatment care. Health insurance firms MD Anderson and WellPoint are using variations of IBM Watson's technology to handle treatment and policy issues facing cancer patients. WellPoint relies on Watson for policy advisory for approximately 2,100 providers. MD Anderson, on the other hand, uses Watson to determine personalized patient treatment for cancer. Watson is also currently being trained to be used in oncology solutions. For tech buyers looking to adopt cognitive computing, here are some essential guidance. First, evaluate whether there are areas where cognitive systems can be added as complementary components in your existing system, or talk to your vendors to see where cognitive systems sit on your product roadmap. As for the IT department of an organization looking to adopt cognitive computing, they will need to assist in identifying and curating data to train the cognitive systems, and also to incorporate cognitive functionalities as part of their development cycle. Lastly, the organization as a whole needs to evolve with the benefits of automated data science and move up the value chain by engaging in high-value activities. Vendors, meanwhile, have a great responsibility to assist in end users' adoption of cognitive systems. Technology vendors must therefore examine and study the potential ramifications of cognitive systems to their market and product offerings. Technology vendors need to consider whether they should be involved in cognitive system research on their own, or if they should partner up with leading vendors in this space, as opportunities are bountiful. The need for more actionable and automated insights will drive demand for cognitive computing functionality. Existing enterprise software and application vendors should actively consider plans to add cognitive capabilities to their offerings. Technology vendors should also undertake processes and plans that identify what content and data will be required for the applications to be successful, together with the technology components that will be necessary to build cognitively enabled applications. This may also require evaluating value-added content companies for other types of data, such as social media data, third-party research, patent information, or competitor information. Technology vendors should be considering offering content as part of their overall solution offering. The barriers of artificial intelligence, machine and deep learning are rapidly dropping. As such, cognitive systems will soon be powering data-driven applications across a wide spectrum of solutions. This new generation of tools and capabilities are capable of offering intelligent assistance, advice, and recommendations to end users, thus enhancing their competitive edge or supplementing information for better decision-making. IDC's new worldwide spending guide for this technology team details cognitive systems forecast by including expenditures for cognitive-related hardware and services. The spending guide also provides greater detail on spending for cognitive systems by geography, industry, and use cases. Whether you are a software or hardware vendor or a service provider, the spending guide will be essential for you to assess the market opportunities for cognitive systems. Please get in touch with IDC for more information on our spending guide offerings. Many thanks for your time today. Feel free to connect with me, Tritra, and my supplied details, or follow IDC Asia Pacific on Twitter and LinkedIn. Thank you.